Dear students, good day. Let us start our session with Geography, Unit 2, Land and Oceans. In this session, we are going to learn about the continents and oceans, classification of landforms. Pangaea and Panthalassa. Pangaea, the supercontinent, and the sea around is Panthalassa. It was 200 million years ago when these landmasses moved away from each other to gain the present position as continents and oceans. Pangaea derived from Greek word meaning all land. The earth is covered by water, which occupies 71%, and land that occupies 29% of the earth's surface. The surface of the earth is not even because it has lofty mountains, deep oceans, and other landforms. These landforms can be classified as first order, second order, and third order. First order landforms are continents and oceans. Second order landforms are mountains, plateaus, and plains. Third order landforms are valleys, beaches, and sand dunes. Continents and oceans are grouped as first order landforms. The vast land masses on earth are called continents, and huge water bodies are called oceans. There are 7 continents. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Asia is the largest continent, whereas Australia is the smallest one. Apart from continents, there are 5 oceans located on the Earth's surface. They are the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic Ocean. Among these oceans, the Pacific Ocean is the largest and the Arctic Ocean is the smallest. Land classification in Sangam period. Kurunji, mountain and its surroundings. Mullai, forest and its surroundings. Marutham, agricultural land and its surroundings. Neithal, sea and its surrounding. Palai, desert region. Second order landforms. The second order landforms are categorized as mountains, plateaus, and plains. Mountains. A landform that rises 600 meter above its surroundings and has steep slopes is called a mountain. If the mountains extend for a large area continuously, it is called a mountain range. The Andes Mountain in South America is the longest mountain range in the world. Height consists of 7,000 km. The highest point of the mountain is known as peak. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Height consists of 8,848 meter. During summer, people go to mountain regions to enjoy the cool weather. Udagamandalam, Kodaikanal, Kolli Hills, Yerkadu, and Yelagiri are some of the hill stations found in Tamil Nadu. Plateaus. Plateaus are the elevated portions of the earth that have flat surfaces bounded by steep slopes. Tibetan Plateau is the highest plateau in the world, so it is called as roof of the world. The flat-topped part of the plateau is called tableland. The plateaus are generally rich in minerals. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is one of the mineral-rich plateaus in India. Therefore, mining is one of the major activities of the people living here. The Deccan Plateau in peninsular India is of volcanic origin. Plains. Plains are flat and relatively low-lying lands. Plains are generally less than 200 meter above sea level. Most plains are formed by rivers and their tributaries and distributaries. These plains are used extensively for agriculture due to the availability of water and fertile soil. They are most suitable for human inhabitation. Hence, they are the highly populated regions of the world. The oldest civilizations like the Mesopotamian and the Indus civilizations developed in river plains. The Indo-Gangetic Plain in North India is one of the largest plains in the world. The plains formed by river Kaveri and Vaigai are important plains found in Tamil Nadu. Coastal plains are the low-lying lands adjacent to oceans and seas. Third order landforms. Third order landforms are formed on mountains, plateaus, and plains mainly by erosional and depositional activities of rivers, glaciers, winds, and waves. Valleys, beaches, and sand dunes are some examples of third order landforms. Oceans. The earth looks blue when we see it from space. This is because two-thirds of it is covered by water. The water is found in oceans and seas. Oceans are vast expanse of water. Seas are water bodies partially or fully enclosed by land. There are five main oceans in the world: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean on the earth. It covers about one third of the earth's total area and spread by about 168.72 million square kilometer. It is bounded by Asia and Australia in its west, North America and South America in its east. It stretches from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. Indonesia, Philippines, Japan, Hawaii, New Zealand are some of the islands located in this ocean. The deepest point, Mariana Trench, is 10,994 meter and is located in the Pacific Ocean. A chain of volcanoes is located around the Pacific Ocean or called the Pacific Ring of Fire. The Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean on the earth. It covers 1/6 of the earth's total area and spreads for about 85.13 million square kilometer. It is bounded by North America and South America in the west, Europe and Africa in the east. Like the Pacific, it stretches from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. The shape of the Atlantic Ocean resembles the letter S. The deepest point is the Milwaukee Deep. The Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean of the Earth's surface. It covers an area of about 70.56 million square kilometer. It is triangular in shape and bounded by Africa in the west, Asia in the north, and Australia in the east. The Java Trench, 7,725 meter, is the deepest point in the Indian Ocean. The Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean surrounds the continent of Antarctica. It is bordered by the southern parts of the Pacific, the Atlantic, and the Indian Oceans. The water in this ocean is very cold. Much of it is covered by sea ice. The deepest point in this ocean is South Sandwich Trench with a depth of 7,235 meter. The Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. It covers an area of 15.56 million square kilometer. It lies within the Arctic Circle. It remains frozen for most of the year. The North Pole is situated in the middle of the Arctic Ocean. The Eurasian Basin is the deepest point in the Arctic Ocean, which is about 5,449 meter in depth. In this lesson, we learnt about continents, oceans, and classification of landforms. Thank you.